So this eyeshadow look is for the people who likes peaches, nudie tones, but still want to keep it nice and cool and cute for Valentine's. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Yasha and this is Makeup a Difference. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you are new. I do mainly beauty videos and lifestyle and also video production. So we're gonna be starting off with eyeshadow today. It's all about eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using my ultimate eye base from Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna pop that on. It's kind of reminding me a little bit of the P. Louise base. I feel like it's a dupe. You guys know it. You guys know I'm always raving about this palette, and it's the P. Louise Bridal XL. I'm also going to be going in Juvia's palette, and I'm going in with this coral peach right here, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease just to get that peachy kind of color. And I'm using a fluffy small brush, which is this one here. And just make sure that you blend and just sweep it on top. So this is what we got so far, and I'm loving how it looks. We're gonna lightly cut the crease, but not too much. I'm using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer to just cut the crease like so. I'm not doing it so heavy duty, and I'm actually just doing a round cut crease for a change because I don't usually do that. This is what we got. We're gonna go in with a more muted eyeshadow, which is, I think I'm gonna be using this palette more, yes, and it's this one right here. This deep pink eyeshadow. This is such a cute, sweet look, like for those who are into colors. So instead of black liner, I'm gonna go in with this brown liner. I was gonna go in with a much more deeper red color, but I can't find it. So this is how the eye look is looking so far. So cute, so soft. I'm gonna put some mascara, and this is from Makeup Revolution. To pop on some blushes and then do the bottom. Okay, so we got our base on, and I'm going to be using the from Primark. So I'm using these colors again just under my eyes, the pinks and the peach, and the orange one at the bottom. Just for a pop of color, we're putting this. It looks gold, but it's not. It's got a bit of pinkish. So perfect on the inner corner. Mascara. Last but not least, let's set our face, because when you put all of those products, you gotta set. So this is the final eyeshadow look. It's so studded, so simple, so gorgeous, easy for you guys to try, you know, I am not really big on cutting the crease, but it's super easy once you get the hang of it. No, it's not a beginner friendly look and stuff, but this is stunning, I'm not gonna lie. But I will be dropping a beginner eyeshadow friendly look, which is gonna be coming up soon. And also we're gonna throw in a red in there, because it cannot be Valentine's without red or pink. We've already thrown in the pink, but now it's time for the red, and it's gonna be something more unique, because I do not want to keep doing the same type of looks. That's why I experimented. Obviously this is more up my alley, but I hope you enjoyed this eyeshadow look. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.